Okay, okay. Oh, so it's cameras on them. Okay. I bet that been feel like a scary movie for him. He was like, ah!
Where DJ at?
I don't think y'all ready for the little videos provided by Right Lifestyle. Hit the like button. Come on now, let's go.
Hellcat too fast. I'm pushing the gas. I'm going, I'm feeling like fat. Can't catch me, I'm doing it dance.
Hellcat is on right, that's your Halloween. Jackie and the Batman is me. You lacking the chip, yeah, it's clean. Just press the like button, that's up on your screen. Too fast, man, he spinning at 60. Can't catch him, he ride the old city. He hitting the gas, man, it's litty. He feeling the tick, he don't put under 50. We gone, we gone, we gone. We vibing, we vibe to the song. Jack Hawk can never do wrong. Next stop, let's hammer it down. 1,000 horsepower, can't look at the speed. GSP, they not catching me. Not a boat, it's a submarine. It's on backs, the tires gon' lean.
What is up, YouTube? Right Lifestyle back with another video, man. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. We living life and loving it over here. You know how you gotta hype yourself up.
Boy, if you don't get...
Hope everybody's having a great day for real. This video is pretty crazy. So it ends like, wow, it's like mind-blowing, right? I don't know if I started getting mad, and I just don't know how I really felt about it. But it's like one of those, I understand what's going on because you ran from the cop. If you are new on the motorcycle, if you're new behind the wheel, if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't have a plan and you don't know where you're going, do not run from the cops. Well, first off, don't run in general. All right, let's reword that. Don't run in general. But if you do decide to run, have those things in mind. Yeah, we're gonna do it that way, right? We're gonna do it that way. If you do decide to run, have those things in mind. A place, location, and a plan. You feel me? Mr. Motorcycle Guy decides to run. And I believe it's a starter bike. I don't really know too much about bikes, but it's a Honda CBR 600. What? Now, I do know enough to know that's poo cheese, okay? Your bike sucks. It's a starter bike, right? If you're trying to run. But I'm not saying bikes like that suck because there are some nice looking bikes regardless. But to try to break the law in one of those, yuck, you suck. He thinks it's a great idea to run from Arkansas State Police.
Stupid.
Yeah, they almost as bad as GSP. Boy, I would mess with them, yo. They don't care. And the way this video ends, you see exactly that. They do not care. They want to get you off the street and they want you gone. You're going to jail, sir. Bye. If you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button, man. Hit that bell notification. That way you get updated every time I post a video, which is daily. We post daily over here, man. I started posting daily. We post daily. You get daily tastes, daily entertainment. Yes, you do. All right. I'm putting in work so that you don't have to. Let's get started with the video. Like they're kind of moving. Yeah, that bike ain't too fast because the cops is like right on him. Let's see, he gonna hit him? He gonna hit him? He hit him? No, he's accelerating. Yeah, that bike is not fast at all. Okay, Mr. Officer. I said, "Look, he had a little bit of okay, just a little bit, not like GSP, but just a little bit. He got a little something." He putting gap on him now. That boy got no good acceleration. Ew. All right, you see one of the problems, man. If you're gonna run, you can't leave the big open. If you got the ability to put the BTA on the police cars with open road and straightaways, why funnel yourself into a 2-lane road and on a motorcycle? Like that's kind of dangerous. Like you want to go around the car in your lane, and there's a high probability another car is coming around that corner, or in this case, over that hill. And you going into it blind, speeding, going over 120 because the police is at 119 right now. Yeah, nah, it's a no for me, big guy. Yeah, he done trapped himself. He in the driveway. Okay. Oh, so it's cameras on him. Okay. I bet that been feel like a scary movie for him. Like, ah.
He's down. No. You need an ambulance? Yeah. Shut your fucking mouth.
That's crazy. Yo, wow, Zers. They didn't give a damn. Head-on collision drove into him. Oh my gosh. And oh man. Oh, let's watch some more. That's crazy. That's a takedown and a half right there, boy. That's the way to end a pursuit. Hey.
Shut up.
Normally I'd be like, man, shut up, stop being a punk. But bro, he got head-on collision. He got rammed off the motorcycle. I know he hurt because he came straight down on neck. Ugh, he just landed straight on that. Ooh wee, something broke, something bruised, something punctured, something happened. Like, there's no way he's not injured, like at all. There's no way he's not injured. And I get they want to be stern and shit like that, but bro, you know that was a pretty bad accident, and you know for a fact that something is probably wrong. So to tell him, I mean, he did do it to himself, yeah, but shut up. You know, they be killing me with that, yo. Like, they don't want to curse for no reason. Like, come on, bro. You can use lowercase words. Like, you don't got to use all capitals all the time. Like, come on.
Everything it's already.
Where's your ID at? Is that his wallet right there in his pocket? Right here in his front pocket. Yep. Use wallet. It's a vape.
My wallet.
Where's your wallet?
You gotta unclip it on the phone.
Hold
on. Can I please lay?
Hey, go get your hat on and reset your camera. Okay.
Can I please lay down on my side?
Right here.
So they had to put their hats on?
I'm gonna need a What's your name? Got it. You awake? Hey. You awake?
Boy, probably got a concussion.
What's your name? What? Don't tell me you don't know. Wake up. Quit showing your ass. Let's go. Okay, what's your name? What's your name?
I'm gonna roll you over this way.
Oh, my arms fell.
Whose is this?
That's mine.
Is he gonna need a record?
I don't know.
Okay.
What's the day?
They don't really need all them people there no more, right?
What's the day of the week?
No, I didn't find an ID.
Oh, it's Sunday. There's President House.
I was trying to slide.
What's hurt? Huh?
I was trying to slide.
You're fine. You're good. You're good.
I mean,
I know. You're good. You're good, brother.
See, he wasn't even trying to hit him. He just said it. You're good, brother. You're good.
this one.
Do what you had to do.
That's not what he had to do.
I was just trying to.
I got it. You're good. Breathe. You're good.
Diabetic?
Huh? I've got a record on the way for the bike. Did you get a name?
I already sent it to dispatch.
Out of Huntsville?
Yeah, he's got some FTAs on it.
You're going to back up. You're going to try to back up. There you go. You got warrants out of Huntsville.
Oh, damn, he had warrants.
We got an ambulance. Yeah. Okay.
Just hit my brakes and try to do it.
Who started this?
He did.
He actually
That's crazy.
Yeah, I didn't mean to go.
Okay.
See how much man is spinning around with
There you
that.
go.
Tradition waiting on a response. The Madison County one is Madison County.
Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's how it ends. So y'all see how I felt, the way I felt. Like it's like I don't know if I feel mad or not, but it's one of those like he ran from the cops, he deserved whatever happens to him, he deserved. But in the same time, yo, manhandling him, tossing him around, flicking him around, telling him to shut the F up, yelling at my boy in capital letters instead of using lowercase letters. Like, bro, you don't gotta do all that. Like, my boy just got hit off a motorcycle, fell on his neck, arm, head, shoulders, knees, and toes, head ass boy. You know what I'm saying? My man, I be having fun here by myself. I don't care. But yeah, man, he fell and he got knocked out, and they just yanking him around, yanking him and 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 flinging him. Shut up! You're not hurt. You did this to yourself. Shut up! And he's starting to sound lethargic and everything, and he just doesn't know where he is, right state of mind, or anything. And they really do not care, which I understand. Like, he ran from the cops, but bruh, he really took a hit. Like, it was a head-on collision, and it didn't seem that fast until you actually see like the bike go in pieces. Like the bike said, you know, you got to hit somebody kind of hard to do that, because I've seen motorcycles get hit. There's a video on IG where a girl got hit and her bike didn't do that. His bike said it went into pieces. Like, come on, that's crazy, yo. It at some point in time, you got to have a little bit of compassion, a little bit of care, you know. I mean, a little bit. Some cops, they do that and they work with you like, okay, you know, I understand, you know, just the flight response, and they just doing their job. You know, it's like they didn't intentionally mean to hurt you, they're just doing their job. That seemed like they wanted to hurt a motherfucker.
Watch your profanity.
I apologize for cussing. That's the only way I can really explain that. They just wanted to hurt him. It really didn't make any sense. Didn't really make no sense to me, man. I mean, it's still his fault though. Nobody told him to run. That's on you for running. Hey, get well soon, my boy. Thank everybody for checking out this video, man. It's your boy Right Lifestyle. Check it out with another one. Peace.